Okay, so let's see again another examples. Let me have here another domain. Hold on. Okay, and then range. Okay, so we have set of input here. Let's just use blue. P, Q, M. And then we have set of output like X, Y, Z, and then Q. Sorry, we already have Q there, yeah. R. And then the relation or the mapping here, P with X, Q with X, M with X. Okay, so the questions first, is this a relation? Second, is this a function? So what do you say? All right, so the first one, is this a relation? Definitely it is a relation. Because of what? We can just simply list out the ordered pairs. Remember, relation is just a set of ordered pairs. So we can just name it with A. The ordered pair is Px, and then Qx, and then Mx. And clearly, this is a relation with the set ordered pairs here. The next question, is this a function? What do you say? Is this a function? Yes, it is a function. Why? It is satisfied the criteria of functions. Again, I will scroll so that you remember. Criteria of a function say clearly one output for each input. One output for each input. So if we analyze again here, one output for each input. Now we look at one output for each input. There are 3 input here, P, Q, M. So he said one output for each input. So for P, who is the output? X. For Q, who is the output? X. For M, who is the output? X. So each input here, P, P, Q, M, all of them have one output, regardless that they have the same output. This is not a matter, because the attention here is for the input. Each of them should only have one output. Regardless the output is the same for all input, it is okay. As long as each input, again, each input only has one output. So this is clearly is a function. So the problem here is a function. Okay?